Sakimatravel.
Hi guys, I'm Jane. Welcome back to Sakima. We are a travel company and also the good consultant for your trip to Vietnam. And welcome back to the food culture series. Have you ever wondered what the Vietnamese people have breakfast every day, like cook themselves at home or buy outside? Yeah, we have a variety of breakfast. This is from North to South Vietnam, so it's up to the place you travel and stay in. For example, in the North Vietnam, we have some special food like phở. It's a traditional noodle soup, or bánh cuốn, like steamed rice with the minced pork and mushroom. Move to the central Vietnam, we have like in Huế, we have bún bò Huế, like spicy noodle soup. It's some mix between the spicy, salty, and savory flavor. And I live in the South Vietnam, so I can see the bánh mì or Vietnamese sandwiches are very popular. You can see the bánh mì appear in every corner of the street. Bánh mì also the official word in Oxford English Dictionary, so it's very popular worldwide. And the thing make Vietnamese sandwiches are very special. I think about the bread is outside are crispy and inside you can see very soft inside. And in Vietnam we have a lot of kind of bánh mì like bánh mì xíu mại, meatball sandwich, bánh mì thịt nguội, ham sandwich, or bánh mì heo quay, roasted pork sandwich. Have a lot of kind of bánh mì, so everyone have the different taste of bánh mì. With me personally, I really love bánh mì ốp la, like fried egg sandwich. So today I will show you guys how to make that. And one more kind of bánh mì like bánh mì chả lụa, steamed pork sausage sandwich. I will show you guys. If you guys ready, let's get started. About the ingredients, sure, we have the bread and bánh mì ốp la fried egg sandwich. We use the chicken egg, yes, and is it the pâté, is it the steamed pork sausage we buy outside because it's a little bit complicated to make it, and the sauce, the mayonnaise, and some vegetable we use to eat to bánh mì like daikon and carrots. It's a pickled vegetable, and some salads like cucumber, cilantro, onion, and it's a green onion. Yeah. Okay, now we move to cut the pork sausage first. And cut it thin like this. Okay, so now I will move to fry the chicken egg. Okay, now we'll show you guys how to make the Vietnamese bánh mì. Slide the bánh mì. Just a half of it. This. And I will put the pâté. depends on what you need. With some vegetable like cucumber. Pickled daikon and carrot. Cilantro. Okay, now put the sauce in. It's a soy sauce. Today we are very lucky to have some special guests from Denmark. So let's see what the difference between how to make the bánh mì in Vietnam and Denmark. Let's see.
Hello. And then let Dane do the Danish style. We will have the baguette, the meatball, the mayo, the remoulade, and a few salad in it. So to make Danish inspired meatballs, we need some pork, minced pork, we need some eggs, we need some oil, flour, some butter, we need salt and pepper, we need an onion, and we need a little knorr. And that's the ingredients to make the Danish inspired meatballs. open the baguette. Put in some mayo. Put in a few slices of cucumber. A little bit of onion. Then we will take the meatball, divide it, take one more, divide it. It's magic. And then the most important ingredients, the Danish remoulade. And that people anywhere in the world can live without this, that is a mystery. But, okay, here we are. 3 different on each plate. So now we will enjoy and then we will evaluate after.
It's time!
I think that the pig sausage was the best, and then the frikadelle, and then the obla.
Hello, I think that the obla was the best. Number 2 was the Danish version, and number 3 is the pig sausage.
I think one with the sausage pølse is the best, and then meatballs, and you know where is the last.
I think the okra is the best, and then the meatball sandwich, and then the pork sausage.
Jeg har fået 3 lækre sandwich, en med frikadelle, som jeg synes har været den bedste. Og så har jeg fået en med spejlæg, som også var super lækker. Og så den sidste var med
Risepølse.
risepølse. Men alle 3 var rigtig lækre.
And the winner is...
And that's it for today. If you guys like Vietnamese sandwiches or Vietnam food in general, to be sure to give this video a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a big motivation for us to do the next video. Thank you and see you in the next video.